Baba Mas, karibu sana. Yawa? Yes.
ambaye tulikuwa na mgombea wetu wa
to be back home. Yes, I feel very, very happy and delighted to be back to Kenya. I want to thank you, President, who traveled with us this journey across the length and the breadth of the continent of Africa. It's been an eye-opener. It gave us opportunity to, we now know more clear the challenges that most of them of course are historical. The guns are singing as part of the resolution that was made in 2013 to silence them, but came up with a program of how to tackle the issue of climate change. As you know, created quite a bit of awareness in the continent. Have succeeded because we will have other jobs to do. We'll come back home and do other things. Who stood by me? He never asked me to run. I announced myself that I was going to run for this position.
That we were going to deploy support from the government of Kenya. He made journeys on air and on the road to different capitals. And this morning, we take the opportunity to thank everybody and also thank them that when it became necessary, they also made the patriotic decision to support whoever eventually won, and generation to support agro-processing and value addition across our continent. Ministers were available, many other public officials were available. People in embassies across Africa made their contribution. Things that require our collective effort. Focus on developing the things, the programs, and the policies for us to receive you back home and to engage with you as we drive the development of our country.